Did you know there's an oil that can supercharge your brain, fuel your body, and even help you burn fat faster? It's called MCT oil, and today we're diving deep into why this might be the superfood you've been missing out on. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that's quickly absorbed and used as energy by your body. Unlike regular fats, which take longer to break down, MCTs go straight to your liver, where they're converted into ketones, your body's alternative fuel source. MCT oil is typically extracted from coconut oil or palm kernel oil and is packed with benefits. It boosts brain function. MCTs provide an instant source of energy for your brain, helping improve focus, memory, and mental clarity. Aids in weight loss. MCT oil increases satiety, helping you stay full longer while also boosting metabolism and fat burning. Enhances energy levels. Since MCTs are quickly absorbed, they provide a rapid source of energy, perfect for workouts or beating afternoon fatigue. Supports gut health. MCT oil has antimicrobial properties that help balance gut bacteria and improve digestion. Great for keto and low-carb diets. MCTs help produce ketones, making them an excellent fuel source for those on a ketogenic diet. So how do you incorporate MCT oil into your diet? Add it to coffee. Many people love MCT oil in their morning coffee for a sustained energy boost, also known as bulletproof coffee. Blend it into smoothies. It's a great addition to protein shakes and smoothies. Drizzle over salads. Use it as a light dressing for an extra health kick. Use in baking and cooking. MCT oil has a high smoke point, making it great for cooking. While MCT oil is amazing, it's important to start slow. Taking too much at once can cause digestive discomfort. Start with 1 teaspoon per day and gradually increase to avoid any stomach issues. And, as always, consult your doctor if you have any health concerns. So there you have it. MCT oil is a powerful superfood that can enhance brain function, boost energy, aid weight loss, and support gut health. Are you ready to give it a try? Let us know in the comments how you use MCT oil in your daily routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay energized.